Hello everybody and welcome to Slav Cooking.
And I'm your host, Jakoby Drexelhand. Alright, so today we're going to be making a classic British dish. Yes, I'm talking of course about the toast sandwich. The most economical sandwich ever created. And only British people could have made something so amazingly tasteless. It actually is quite an old recipe, dating back to 1861. So it's been in their food vocabulary for a long time. So, in order to make this dish yourself, what you're gonna want to do is get some bread, some butter, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. And of course you'll also need a toaster, a knife, and some plate. And of course, hands and a mouth to eat it. Alright, so let's get started. So first we're going to take a slice of bread and we're going to put it in the toaster. Now I personally like to set it to 3 on the toaster time. And now, while that's preparing, we need to prepare the other ingredients. Wow, amazing. So yeah, we just have to wait for the thing to cook now. Oh, look at that. Oh. Watch as the, no, don't do that. Watch as the toast burns a little bit. You know, it's chemical reaction. So. Oh yeah, that's cooking. We should probably put a cut in here. Awful joke. Yeah, we're literally just waiting.
I'll pause it.
Slav cooking.
Oh!
Anyways, okay, so now what you're gonna
Let's
want
play that in slow motion.
hot toast. And now we're gonna really prepare it. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your butter, not that butter, this butter, because it's nice and creamy and has been left out overnight. We're gonna want to butter this bad boy. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh, delicious. So good. Alright, and then after we buttered it, I don't think you need to butter both sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of salt.
Jack Schmidt having a few problems.
Just a little bit of salt.
Having a few problems.
Just show up, you bastard. There. Might be a little excessive. And then we got just a little bit of pepper. And then, finishing touch. Gonna put the bread on the other bread. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, good. And now our toast sandwich is completed. Now it's time to taste. Okay, stop. In half before tasting. Surprisingly easy to do.
Money shot, come on.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice. All right. Okay, so we're gonna take it.
There we go.
Yeah. Alrighty. So I'm gonna give it a taste, and then I'm gonna take the camera from my lovely cameraman, and he's gonna have a taste. So, tastes like bread. A little bit of the butter. I don't think I got any black pepper in that. Feel a little bit. It reminds me a little bit of the beach, you know? Like it's very dry. And it's a little salty. It's also got a little zest, you know? Like a midsummer night, you know? It's actually pretty good. I give it about a 7 out of 10. It's good. It's a good thing. Alright, stop. Alright, so now my lovely camera assistant is gonna try it out for me as well. So yeah, give it a go and tell us your thoughts.
So it's pretty disgusting, honestly.
It's actually not that bad. Just give it a shot. What do you think, Enrique? What do you think? What do you think, Enrique?
It's pretty confusing, like being bread within bread, so it's like textures weird.
Yeah, what do you think about that taste though? What do you think about that?
It's salty,
Yeah?
texture very chewy.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta eat this with like a good beverage. It's like
I'd imagine. Unfortunately, we don't have any wine selection for today since it's our second episode.
it's all right. It's all right.
Yeah, it's very okay. All right, so out of a number score, how much do you give it?
I'd say probably a 6.
Yeah, it's a very middle of the road. It's not
It's not
bad.
a standalone food. It's not something like
Yeah.
It's about right.
Yeah. Anything else, or do you think we're done? Okay. Alright guys, so that concludes the first episode of Slav Cooking. It's been wonderful. You know, it's a very economic recipe that we made today. But you know what, I think everyone's gonna get a little bit out of today. It's a very simple recipe, very economic. Why am I saying that again? Anyways, this has been Jakoby Drexelhand, and everybody have a good day.
I like it.